Okay, this is my Shark lift away vacuum cleaner, the NV601, and this is it when it's all down into pieces because it comes apart. It's very modular. So just to start from the back end of things, right? Let's have a look. Okay, in here I've got my base. Let's just put this, the filter is going to go in there like that, nice and flat. Then this secondary filter, that will go in there. Okay, and now this, where all my dust and dirt is, just pops on like that. Just kind of make sure this back thing kind of goes in and then at the back. Let's get this on here. What you want to do, this kind of comes off often at an angle. Just use your foot to press that forward. I would get it upright. We just want to drop that in there. It's much more forward than you actually think. Okay, so once it's in, it'll just, the weight will take over and it'll just drop into place. So the next thing I can do then is to put my wand, as I'm doing this one-handed, I can just put this in. Let's see, again it's a bit of a puzzle. Okay, put the wand in there, and the wand release button might not come back up. Alright, so if you get that, you see that should come back up. Just got to give it a bit of a shake. Just try and do it from here. And just there, it's popped up when I pulled it back out. Okay, so that's a weird one. If that doesn't pop back up, this wand is just going to keep coming out every time you try and hoover. Then, so I've got this bit. Let's put my nozzle back on there, so the nozzles are contained on there. And finally, let's put this handle back into the wand there. And if you wanted to do that, you've got that release button there. And I'm not going to bother showing you, but then I can just wind away the cable on the bottom and the top notches. And there you go. That's how you would, basically the opposite way of doing it with a lift away Shark vacuum cleaner, because sometimes when you get to the bottom you can get really confused by how many pieces. Okay, thanks for watching.